my name is Lukas. I'm a train driver and I worked for this company for the past 7 years. I started 4 years ago with the training. Prior to that I was a train guard. So I drive trains on valleys, which includes the Merthyr Tydfil, Drybed, Aberdare, Barry Island. It is a great campaign because it is a great business. It's something to be proud of. I like how the ad is done. That it doesn't only show the company, but it shows the people that work for it. And hopefully it will bring new passengers and new customers to the business. It's actually nice to see that Transport for Wales is doing something different, which is quite exciting. Speaking to some of my colleagues last night when they saw the advert, and some of my friends, they actually can see there's the real people who seem to be happy and who seem to be glad they're working for the company.